Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a classic showdown, Sony Vegas Pro versus Adobe Premiere. In this 2025 edition, we'll break down which video editing software comes out on top, based on the latest updates and user feedback. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro, this comparison will help you make an informed choice. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Sony Vegas Pro is often praised for its intuitive interface, making it a great pick for newcomers. It's straightforward, with a timeline that's easy to navigate, and it's particularly strong in audio editing features. However, Adobe Premiere has evolved significantly by 2025, boasting a more polished workflow thanks to its integration with other Adobe apps like After Effects and Photoshop. But Premiere can have a steeper learning curve, which might overwhelm beginners. Now, when it comes to features and performance, Adobe Premiere edges ahead. It's the industry standard for a reason, offering advanced tools for color grading, effects, and 4K, 8K editing. Plus, with AI enhancements in 2025, Premiere's auto-editing features save tons of time. On the flip side, Sony Vegas Pro is lighter on your system resources, making it faster for simpler projects, and it's often more affordable as a one-time purchase rather than Premiere's subscription model. But Vegas might fall short in complex collaborations or high-end professional work. Pricing is another big factor. Sony Vegas Pro typically costs a flat fee, which is budget-friendly for hobbyists, while Adobe Premiere requires a Creative Cloud subscription, great for ongoing updates but potentially pricey long-term. So, which is better? It really depends on your needs. If you're editing casually or on a budget, go with Sony Vegas Pro. For professional-grade work and ecosystem integration, Adobe Premiere is the winner. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your go-to editor? Let's discuss. Word count: 348.